About this item: unique mechanical numeric keypad experience using a compact keyboard and don't have a number pad for numeric data entry. This Kisnt number pad solves the problem. The idea of having a separate mechanical numeric keypad let you customize your desktop and keep uncluttered. Professional mechanical switch with travel distance, great tactile feedback, feels sturdy and responsive when in use, ergonomic design. The step keycap and adjustable kickstand provide you with an ergonomic typing experience. Fit your hands easily and relieve fatigue of your wrist. Our number pad also as a great accessory for small laptops without a separate keypad. Unlike a traditional membrane number keypad for laptop, the Kisnt keypad is higher off the desk than the low-profile keyboards most business computers come with. If you are sensitive to height, please check our height information carefully. PBT die sub keycaps and white backlit effects instead of ABS keycaps. The 10-key USB keypad go with a die sublimation process and from extra thick PBT for great readability and pleasant touch. The material is extra durable to increase longevity and make the keycaps fade resistant. White backlit effects with most keyboards to meet your different needs. There are 6 light up modes and 6 levels of brightness for choice. Please note, the lights are not visible through the keycaps. Standard 17 keys layout. Numpad with compact layout. This 10-key USB keypad has 17 independent keys including standard numeric 0 key and end key. It won't change your usage habits. Mini size numeric keypad takes little space. The portable design with a detachable USB-C cable meets your needs to typing anywhere and then just put away in a drawer when you don't need to use it. Widely compatible. The mechanical number pad widely compatible with your computer or laptop and other keyboards without numeric section. Compatible with almost all operating systems with Windows, Mac OS, Android. Note, the 10-key is not compatible with Chromebook and not fully compatible with Mac OS. Because Apple products do not support external function keys/buttons, in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: unique mechanical numeric keypad experience using a compact keyboard and don't have a number pad for numeric data entry. This Kisnt number pad solves the problem. The idea of having a separate mechanical numeric keypad let you customize your desktop and keep uncluttered. Professional mechanical switch with travel distance, great tactile feedback, feels sturdy and responsive when in use, ergonomic design. The step keycap and adjust